Dido Kids Story Hub.
Water animals. Fish. Fishes are of different sizes, different shapes, and different colors. They can swim in water with the help of fins. Their body are covered by scales all over. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are transparent. They have a bell-shaped body. Most jellyfish emit light which help them to glow in the dark. Jellyfish have tentacles that help them to catch their prey easily. Octopus. Octopus have 8 arms. Octopus have 2 eyes and a globe-shaped head. They have suckers on their arm that help them to catch their prey. Dolphin. Dolphins are very intelligent mammals. Dolphins like to jump and play in water. Dolphins are friendly with humans. Dolphins have hole on their back. This is known as blowhole. Shark. Shark are well known for having sharp teeth. Shark has an excellent sense of sight and hearing. This helps them to catch their prey easily. Starfish. Starfish look like a star. They are also known as a sea star. Urchin. Urchin have long and sharp spines all over their body. This helps them to catch their prey easily. Sea turtle. Sea turtle have big and hard shells. This shield their body. So they are all the water animals. See you next time with another video.
Do subscribe, like, and share.